I live near Thika, but I've never been to Chania waterfall, so come with me. The aesthetic of the hotel is beautiful, and if you're a nature lover, you'll definitely love it here. It's so green and so beautiful and so peaceful, and the waterfall. Let's listen to the sounds of nature. They also have an animal park which I paid 150 shillings to access, where they have animals like crocodiles, porcupines, the ostrich, monkeys, snakes, and so many other animals. I also got to see the K-hole. I don't know what it's called in English, but the Kikuyu people know it. Yep, that's it. That's a K-hole.
Yeah. But the fact is that they don't really fight. When you go close to it, what they normally ask is to charge the expect to be started in a manner where they want to poke, but right?
Poke. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Okay.
I also had a conversation with one of the wardens who told me that sometimes they have to put the animals down and also dissect them in order to find out the cause of death. He said it's not an easy job, but you get used to it over time.
Na ukilala upati like nightmares nothing.
Tomorrow to be well. Fear, that kind of a fear, ni kuona leo tomorrow.
Yeah.
Itafifia pole pole. But when you tap kuiona,
yeah,
it will be a bit hard. So it's better you go and see for today, few seconds, then tomorrow.
I'm only seeing it once.
You make a routine.
And never again.
Let's go now. Let's go. Somewhere there.
So we're going to see the python.
Yeah. It's a nyoka.
Niombeeni.
Rock.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, we're not doing that again. So finally, we ended up here and I got to see some of their trophies and a few other things, and then it was time to go home. That was an afternoon well spent. Until next time, bye.